I would say that Eric is the king of peanut butter. He eats it every single day. He even just spoons it right out of the jar. And he eats it for dinner sometimes, just like that. Today, we're making homemade peanut butter using the Vitamix. It has a rich peanutty taste and is absolutely fantastic. So join me. Let's make peanut butter. Okay, so here is our average everyday off the grocery store shelf peanut butter. The ingredients are roasted peanuts. We got that. Sugar. We're using honey, local honey. And hydrogenated vegetable oil, cottonseed, soybean, and or rapeseed oil. Rapeseed oil is canola, right? To prevent separation, and salt. Okay, we'll put you over here so you can watch how it's done, right? Ooh. So we have our Vitamix here. You need a really powerful blender. That's all I got to say, because you can kill a blender making peanut butter. So I have 4 cups of roasted peanuts. You can use whatever kind of peanuts you want. You can use organic peanuts. You can really control how your the quality of your peanut butter. So we are in. So we're going to start out really slow. And this might get a little ugly because sometimes it jams up. So I'm going to put in a couple teaspoons of vanilla, if I can get the lid off. This is for flavor. That's real vanilla. Skip. And I have some honey. You can use some nice local honey, some raw honey. I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of this to taste. See how well I measure? Okay, in terms of the salt, I use salted peanuts, so I don't want to over salt it. I'm going to put a little bit of salt in here, but you really want to salt your peanut butter to taste, depending on what kind of peanuts you use and how salty they are. If you want it a little bit creamier, add a little, maybe a little peanut oil or something, but make sure you're using some kind of oil that is not refined. You want to keep it as pure as possible. So you want like first pressing kind of oil, because you're like would be spoiling, all the work that you did. Here's our peanut butter. So look at it. It's nice and creamy. You can, like I said, you can make it as creamy or as crunchy as you want. I like kind of a natural taste to it. I want a little bit of that peanut grain to it. Oh, it looks great. That's how I know it's like natural peanut butter. I don't want it like completely totally like smooth and pulverized like the grocery store stuff because it just doesn't taste like food to me. Okay, so we have our homemade peanut butter. So we're going to give Eric a little taste test. I'm going to bring him over here and make him close his eyes, and I'm going to feed him a little of each, and he's going to tell me what he thinks. Okay, come on over, Eric. Close your eyes.
Yeah, I've got my eyes closed. I want to try not to trip over anything.
Come on around.
Come on.
Okay. Peanut butter number 1.
Let me smell it first. Ooh, smells a little smoky.
Smoky?
Yeah. Smells like smells.
Okay, taste. What do you say?
I don't know. It's pretty smooth. It could be store-bought. Who knows? Tastes good.
Okay.
Let me smell. Don't get no ideas.
Peanut butter number 2.
This one smells different.
Taste. This is all his peanut butter, so he could double dip.
Yeah, obviously she didn't cheat. This is definitely a different one. This one I taste little bits. So it's not like crunchy peanut butter, like when you get crunchy. This has little bits, so it's not as creamy.
What about the flavor? Which one tastes more peanutty?
I think this one tastes pretty Skippy good.
Skippy as in it's Skippy?
No,
or Skippy as in it's homemade?
I would probably say the first one was commercial. This is homemade. This is creamy, but it's not as oily. So, and I'll take that back. Oily as in added oils. If this is oily, it's only because of the natural peanut oil that's in peanut butter, because after all, that's what happens, right?
Okay, you picked the homemade. Now you can give me the taste test.
Close your eyes. Okay, you're centered on camera there.
My nose is ready. I'm scared.
Oh, we're not going to do anything bad for you. Got your eyes closed?
What are you going to do, mix them?
I would never do that.
Okay.
Oops. Okay. Go ahead.
Smell. Smells like peanuts. Okay. Taste. It tastes like a natural taste to it. Sticky. Yeah, it tastes like peanuts. Okay, next. I think that was a homemade.
Go ahead. Smell.
I don't smell a lot. Yeah, yeah, that's commercial. So one thing I can say is this, they process it so much and it's so creamy. I feel like there's no soul left in it. This one, I feel like there's just a little more soul. So if you want really super creamy peanut butter.
So we're going to get a little shot, right? So it does look little on the liquidy side, and that's just the peanut oil, probably separating a little bit. And then that's the commercial stuff. But they do that on purpose. So,
yeah, they want you to be able to dip in, and every time you dip in, this is totally together. You're never going to get this. This could separate out, The oil is going to separate out from the peanut because it's natural. There's nothing in there technically holding the emulsion together.
We're not hydrogenating it.
It's not like, this is like a permanent emulsion, and this is something where it eventually separated. I really think this gives me a more natural flavor. To me, I think if you want it ultra smooth, you can put a little unrefined oil in there and really let that go and get more of a smoothness, but I really like this.
Yeah, it's just it has a little bit of texture. It's not as crunchy.
Yeah, it's not crunchy.
It's not as creamy.
Yeah.
It's somewhere in the middle, but you can taste a little bits of...
It has more soul.
It has a little more soul.
If you like this video, please subscribe below. And don't forget to hit that bell so you'll get notified of our uploads. Also, visit my website, amylearnstocook.com. You will get the recipe for this peanut butter. And check me on my Facebook group, facebook.com/group/amylearnstocook. You can catch me at Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cookin' with Amy. So, Eric, you got some yummy peanut butter for a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.